Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we're opening the October the Simply Earth Essential Oil subscription box. Be sure to check out the link below. Use that link, you'll get $10 off your first 5 boxes. Savings of $50. And this company, small business, independently owned, group of ladies all working together, they share their profits. 13% of their profits goes to help end human trafficking. So they are taking care of people as well as wanting to take care of the environment and being more natural, less chemical in our homes. So let's see what we've got for October. And ready? All right, here we go. This is an aromatherapy rice bag, which I used to make hot pans with rice, and I would use oils, cinnamon. And the heat of putting a pan or something on it would activate the oils, and your whole house would smell wonderful. So I have no doubt this will be wonderful. All right, we have a bottle. I got multi-purpose cleaner tablets. And I really do like the fact that they try to be natural. Not a lot of chemicals. It was one of the things I liked about Thrive Life, is that if you looked at the back of the ingredients of their freeze-dried foods, you had freeze-dried strawberries. The ingredients were strawberry. You're not going to find that in the grocery stores. See, I've got menthol crystals. Oh, frankincense and cypress. Ravensara. And then a premix essential oil called Breathe Easy. Let's see. A lot of times when you get a package, it'll come with all this paperwork and you tend to just toss it. Don't toss this, because it will have scan codes. In this case, it is a free guide for respiration. And try the DIY method. Try this DIY menthol chest rub. So be sure to scan those. So I do save these. Let's see, and then we have our stickers to put the names on top of our bottles. And then we have other stickers for any of the projects that come with the recipe cards. All right, let's see what we've got. We've got a Forest Breath Balm Calming Aromatherapy Rice Bag. Well, we've got the rice bag included. Breathe Easy Shower Steamer. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Let's see. I'll need a silicone mold or an ice cube tray, a half-cup baking soda, and then some things from the boxes. How awesome. Stinky Feet Spray. I'm not going to mention if I need that or not, but let's see. Distilled water and GeoGuard preservative optional. Yep. And that's why we have the spray bottle. Healthy Home Diffuser Blend and a Respiration Aid roll-on. And a lot of these extra things, like a roll-on bottle, have been included in their big box, which you get with your first order. And then you will also get you'll get another one of those after so many boxes. Always lots of little freebies after 4, 7, 12 boxes. And readily available and not expensive off of Amazon. Be sure to check our Amazon shop down below. And any purchase you make, we do appreciate. We do get a little bit of a commission from the suppliers from Amazon for sending you there, and that always helps out a lot. Which you're just watching this video, and if you will like and share it, that really helps us out. So please consider doing those things. He's not had a raise in over 4 years, and prices have gone up a lot, and 3 kids in college, and yeah. So consider rewatching some videos and sharing them as much as you can. We would really appreciate it. So I'm really looking forward to some of these. And I see some presents, and I see being able to make some of these. Maybe there'll be a new product in our little farmer's market shop or at the Holly Jolly Market. If you happen to be around Chattanooga, be sure to check out our Crazy D Ranch Facebook page, also the Crazy Dave's Crew Facebook page. We are trying to make sure we tell everyone where we're going to be on Saturdays. So if you happen to be around Chattanooga and you want to check out a little farmer's market, check out our page first so you can see where we're going to be. I'd love to meet you. I hope you're having a great day. I cannot wait to start digging into these and into some of my my past boxes. I'm ashamed to say I've kind of let them accumulate. But with the winter coming up, the markets are closing down in December, so I should have some time to... No, I'll make time to make sure I have a day a week or something to learn and practice and make my gifts and possibly even make products for sale. So you never know what you're going to find at our booth. We'll have microgreens, jams and jellies, some dolls, all kinds of stuff. And like I said, you never know. Maybe there'll be some essential oil products too. And when you're there, be sure to check out the booth that will be next to us. That's my boys. They're making cookies. And I'm out of it. They're doing it all themselves. So I'm very proud of them. And so if you happen to be by, make sure you check them out. And they're really good. They are really good. Nick made some s'mores brownies. And wow. I couldn't believe there were some left. But I was so glad there were because they were yummy. David made from scratch some bacon pancake cookies. He likes bacon. He does. He likes bacon. So anyway, if you're in Chattanooga, be sure to check us out at those markets. Check out our Facebook pages. Check out our other YouTube channel, the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. There'll be a lot more about the canning and the microgreens on that channel. And I am so glad you joined us today. Don't forget, $10 off your first 5 boxes. Not a bad deal. So, links below. And I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.